Hey Mr. Ugo, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happen to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website here and wanted to shoot over a custom video going over your website and 3 things that you all can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you see or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask for is a little bit of feedback on this if it was helpful or not. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks, and the first one is content. So Google really wants to see that you are providing value to your readers. So they are looking through all of this content that you can visually see on your site, and they also include every single photo that is on here as content because they're able to see what it was saved as before it was uploaded. And so apart from them wanting to see you providing some value to your readers, they want to see what keywords are on your site so that they know who to connect you to whenever future customers are typing in that Google search bar there. So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage here to be considered an authority with Google. And one example of a keyword is Renovation Company in Baltimore. Whenever your future customers are typing this in, there are 2 sections that are going to be populating. So there is the Google Map Pack section as well as the organic listing. And so right away it starts off with the organic listing, but it's quickly interrupted by the Google Map Pack section. And so we'll start here for now. This section, 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Pack section. We can see that someone is running an ad to be on this front page of the Google Map Pack section, and that's because 30 to 40% of the business, most of that goes to this front page here. And so you want to be outranking these 3 companies here so that you can get your share of that 30 to 40% of business. The way that you outrank your competitors would be to have a Google business profile. And with a quick search here, I didn't find one that applied to you. I might have missed it, or maybe it's under a different name. But this is a free thing that you all can sign up for, so I definitely recommend doing that. It can help increase your business, and you want to make sure that it's optimized so that you are ranking here. So the way that you optimize it, we'll use TradeMark. So you want to have your business name on here. You want to be consistent with your 5-star reviews. That can really help. And then just completely fill it out as accurately and as much as possible. The most time consuming would be those citations. And so a citation is your business name, your address, and your phone number in your local directories. So Facebook, Yelp, you want to outdo these competitors here with those citations so that you're ranking above them there. My recommendation would be to go find the citations that they have, get those for yourself, and then you do want to get more. And then that way you can get your share of this 30 to 40% of business here. And if we scroll down, we are back into the organic listing. And so that remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking here. And we can see we're at the bottom of the first page here, and it's vital to be on the first page because over 90% of people stay on this first page, and so not being on the first page means you are missing out on business for yourself. Something that we can do, we can plug in your website into a tool called Ahrefs, where we're going to find some data pulled from Google data. DR and UR are ratings that represent the authority and the trustworthiness of your website. And right now, they are 0, and that's because there's not any backlinks going to your website. And so backlinks, this is the last thing I wanted to touch on. You want to make sure that you're getting high quality backlinks linked to your website so that you're boosting these ratings above your competitors. So once those are higher than your competitors, you can be boosted above them on that Google search result there. You do need to be intentional with backlinks because there are spammy ones that will lower these numbers, and so then they're not going to be doing any good and possibly even harm. And so what goes hand in hand with these ratings are keywords. You want to make sure that you're being found for what you would actually want to be found for. So the services that you provide in the area that you service. I recommend what's called buyer intent, which means people that are actually looking to buy from you and your service. And then that way you're getting more qualified leads landing on your site, because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. So right now there's not any keywords on your site and there's not any traffic going to your website as of now. We can do the exact same thing with every single competitor. This was the #1 ranking website for the Renovation Company in Baltimore, so this is who you would need to beat there. They have 20 and 8. What's making up their ratings are 12 backlinks coming from 6 referring domains. They have 206 keywords on their site and 125 monthly traffic there. So what we'd want to do for you is we'd want to get those high quality backlinks to boost your ratings above this competitor. We can go into every single one of your competitors, see what backlinks they have, and then link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them to rank, it would also work for you. And do the same thing with keywords. Make sure those buyer intent keywords that apply to you are on your website. We can take a look at every single keyword that your competitors have, do a separate search as well to find out if they're missing any, and then make sure they're on your site and you are ranking for them. Once again, because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. And I hope that this video provided value to you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.